Hello, it's BrickBros UK and it looks like LEGO have released their April Fool's joke early this year by printing the number 24 on the front of the Steamboat Willie box set instead of 25. Wah wah wah. So they've accidentally fooled themselves by putting the same number as the Flintstone set on this one, which is a bit of a blunder, and we assume the super quick release of the Steamboat set probably contributed to this mix-up. Because it looks like the production teams didn't know whether it would release before or after the Flintstones, so must have gone ahead storing up stock with the wrong number printed on the box. But hey, we're all human and these things happen. So keep an eye out for the number 24 Steamboat Willie sets on the shelves in April guys, as we'd expect LEGO to correct this error in the near future, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the BrickBros UK LEGO news update, and don't forget to check out our channel for the latest LEGO news and like, comment and subscribe to BrickBros UK.